open it. I'll just put it right there. And what is this called? A laundry detergent. Now you guys know all the ingredients. Let's get to it. Pour this glue. So everybody, I'm pouring the glue. It's kind of heavy. Perfect. And now, oh, I got on the table a little bit. Dad's gonna napkins. So what is that? Okay, now shaving cream. Let's get it. Here's the shaving cream. Let's get to it. Can squirt out like this.
That's good.
Perfect. Okay, let's get in stirring it. Whoa! It's so fluffy. So fluffy! It's so fluffy I'm gonna die! Oh my goodness! Ken. It's looking about done, so where should I put this spoon?
On your head?
Okay. So where should I put this?
Your dad's getting you something to put it on.
Next is laundry detergent. This makes it turn into slime. And after we're gonna do starters.
Many months later.
Can I have a hand?
Yeah.
My dad has strong muscles. Let's do it. My dad didn't have time, so we just used this bowl. Let's maybe stir it. Yeah. Let's stir it, everybody. Oh, it's getting slimy. I know it is because it feels like slime. It feels like slime, everybody. Oh, I see that blue down there. So cool. Okay, so my dad's helping me. Say hi.
Hi. Remember Dad?
I know he doesn't be in a lot of videos because I am starting my own channel. But they make their own videos with me too.
Yeah, I'm home
And
check us out.
what cool is that?
So pretty much what I'm doing is to get it like to the really squishy slime that we want, you gotta like use your hands, but it's the messiest thing in the world. Oh, but see, it's starting to get there. But if you use your hands, you can get there really fast.
I just want to feel
You wanna feel it?
Whoa, it feels sticky.
Yeah. almost to the consistency we want. Oh.
Oh, that feels like slime. It feels like slime.
It's like a huge thing of bubble gum. Look at this, Everly. How
Oh
cool is
my
that?
goodness. Put it back in the bowl.
Whoa, here.
Put it back in
Here, can I put it on your head?
No.
Whoa.
Put it back in the bowl.
Here, can I put it on my head? As like a wig? Oh.
Put it back in the bowl. Put it back in the bowl.
Okay. This actually turned out like super good. Look at that. This is some awesome slime. Whoa.
Oh my goodness, it feels like slime. I don't want to put my hand in it. So you know this makes it blue or you want it pink. So let's use this. Oh my goodness! My hands are red. Oh, it's gonna turn pink. Oh, it's gonna turn like purple. Oh my goodness, it's so slimy. Can't believe it. Oh, did you hear that pop, everybody? Ah! Finger! It's like a ring. This is a workout! It's gonna be more pink because my mom did some more of that. Over there. I need some more of that. Look how pink it is. Now we're gonna put Starburst. So we got pink Starburst because pink is my favorite and it matches this color. So I'll pour this one. All the way with it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do the other pack. Oh my goodness. They're all gone. This is awesome. I just have to mix this. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you mix slime, it's going to be the funnest. So make slime by your own. It feels so crunchy. Ooh, this is wow. Okay guys, I think we're about done. But I need to squeeze it more. Fun to play with. I think I made the best slime ever, guys. You should make slimes and also watch your videos and see how it turned out. Because I have an iPad and I can watch it. And I can use my own spoon. I lost my iPad or anything. I can't believe that we made Starburst slime. It turned out very good. Oh, my arms hurt. Ah. Okay, guys, so I'm done with my slime video. I hope you like my video. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to be posting every Tuesday. So keep watching, guys. See you later. I can't really do it, but peace out.